Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, today from Standard 8 English Medium, it's a new chapter number 7. Verbs, same as the sixth ones, but only difference present tense. Okay, form it. Verbs, present tense. What is tense? So, here given the definition of tense. Tense refers to the time of an action or state of being in the past, present, or future. What is tense? Tense refers to the time of an action. What? Time of an action or a state of being. State of being in the past, present, or future. That is tense. How? See the example here given. The example. I study in a boarding school. So study is the verb given as the present form. Main verb. He is reading a book. Is given the sentence is what? Present continuous. He is reading a book. See the picture. Now, my father is an engineer. He is an engineer. Now, so talk about time of action. Simple present tense of verb, helping verb. Now, the tense, present tense. Talk about the present tense. What is present tense? The present tense is used to refer an action or state of being at the time of speaking. At the time of speaking. Here given the two forms of the present tense are 2. Simple present and present continuous or present progressive. If we say present continuous, is it okay? If we say present progressive, so talk about was continuous tense. So talk about the first simple present, where we use the simple present tense. When we say the universal truth. Universal truth. The moon moves around the earth. The moon moves around the earth is the universal truth. If we say the sun shines, the sun shines. Where? In the day? In daytime. We say that the sun rises. The sun rises. Where? The sun rises in the east. This is the universal truth. Okay. Now comes to a routine or a habitual action. Routine or habitual action. Just like given the example C. He goes for a walk at 6 in the morning. This is the routine. I eat dinner at 7 o'clock. This is my routine. Habitual action. It's a habit to go for a walk. It's a habit. Then comes to a regular action. Snakes hibernate in winter. Hibernate in winter. Regular action. Which regular? Come to school. It's a regular action. It's a ritual then. Tamilians celebrate Pongal as the first day of the new year. A ritual. We celebrate Uttarayan on 14th January. It's a ritual. Then comes to the characteristics. Owls sleep during the day. Characteristic of owls. Sleep during the day. Bats also sleep during the day. They cannot see during the day. That is the characteristic of that. And a newspaper headlines. Hurricane Al devastates Bengal. That is the newspaper headline. Whichever newspaper is showing in headline on newspaper, that shows about the present tense. Then comes to the pre-scheduled future action or event. Deepal Saxena released his book at the book launch today. Okay, pre-schedule, not going to schedule it, but before that, pre-schedule. And about future action, we can use the simple present tense. Then warning. fight with me once again and I stop talking to you. Likes and dislikes, proverb, and to describe professional activities and duties we use that the simple present tense. Okay, if we use simple present tense with the pronoun, which pronoun? I, then we, first person singular, first person plural. Okay, second person singular, you, second person plural, you, third person singular, he, she, it, and third person plural, they. With this all we use main verb only. Verb, main verb in simple present tense. If we use the word play, I play, we play, you play, they play. But when we use this form, he, she, it, we cannot say the play, we say the plays. In the third person singular, he, she, it, with, we use verb with s and es. S and es. Where we use this word if the last letter of the verb is given double s, ch, sh, o, then x, then we write what? We write es after that. Example, if I use he, go, we cannot say go. If the last letter is o, then we write goes. He teach, we cannot say teach. If the last letter is ch, we say that put es. If the word is push, then we add es with the he, she, it pronoun. Okay, this is how we use the simple present tense, where to refer to an action or state of being at the time of speaking. Now this is the exercise of the simple present tense. Let's see. Choose the correct form of the verbs from the given alternatives. Mention the meaning conveyed in each case, choosing from the list you have just read. Okay, now here the 10th question. See, Brian Lara play cricket. Brian Lara play cricket. So what comes with the Brian Lara? We cannot say with the play because Brian Lara is the third person singular noun. So what we choose? Plays or is playing. So we say that Brian Lara plays cricket. Brian Lara plays cricket. A is the correct answer. Now comes to number 2. Water freeze at 0 centigrade and boil at 100 centigrade. So what comes? Water. Water freeze not. Water is a singular, so freezes and boils. Simple present tense forms of the verbs we use. Then number 3. An empty vessel make the most noise. So here make the word is used. It's a proverb. So what we use? Empty vessel makes. A is the correct answer. Makes the most noise. Now number 4. The judicial system safeguard. Verb is used, the safeguard. The judicial system is the singular, so we use the safeguards. Safeguards, plural verb, the citizens' rights. Then 5th, I not like cheeseburger. We cannot say that I not like. We use the simple tense form, like, verb form. But before that, what we use? Do or don't. So with I always comes don't. I don't like cheese form. If you say that I am not liking, that is not simple present tense form of the verb. It's a continuous progressive tense. Okay. So in number 6, Hamida go for a walk every morning. I already say with the singular pronoun or a singular noun. What comes with goes? Yes, with the verb. Then comes to number 7. Petrol prices go up drastically these days. petrol prices go up drastically these days. So what comes? Are going or goes. So here talk about what? Petrol prices go. We cannot say goes. Okay, just these days, talk about these days. So we say that are going. Then change the prices of the petrol. So petrol prices are going up drastically these days. Okay, here talk about the regular action. I talk about later then. Then the number 8, the sun rises in the east. The sun not rise, but the sun rises in the east. Then number 9, the speaker conduct the sessions in the parliament. So what? Not conduct, it's conducts. The speaker is a singular form. Migratory birds visits warm countries in winter. So what we use? B, visit. So let's have see the action. Which action is happen? Brian Lara play cricket. So here plays is used the regular action. What? It's used the regular action. That is why here write play. In the second we write freezes and boils. Freezes and boils is a universal truth. This is the universal truth. Freezes and boil. Now comes to number third. Third is the proverb. What? Proverb. So we write the makes. In the fourth we write safeguards. Why? To describe professionals. What? To describe professional activities. This is the professional activities. That is why here write the okay. Then comes to number 5, we write don't like. Why? Because likes and dislikes. Here likes and dislikes comes. Likes and dislikes. In number 7, we write go. Why? Because it is a regular action. What? Regular action. Then comes to in number 6, Hamida, go for a walk every morning. In number 6, it's routine or habitual action. Okay, go. It's a routine. Walking is a routine or habitual action. In number 7, are going is regular action. Okay, and number 8, the sun rises. It's a universal truth. Then number 9, write the conducts. Why? To describe professional activities. This describes the professional activities. Parliament. Then number 10 is what? It's a regular action. So this is how we use the verb in the simple present tense. I hope you understand about it. Thank you.